You asked for it and here it is. In this video, I'm going to talk about how you can iron a shirt in 2 minutes. I'm also going to tell you 2 hacks that'll help you iron better and faster. In order to have an easier experience when ironing, I would recommend using water in the steam feature in an iron, but if you don't have something like that, then you can use water in a bowl and sprinkle it over the area where you want to iron your clothing. Also, if you don't have an ironing board, don't sweat it because you can do this on your bed or on a stable surface such as any table would do. Just have a piece of cloth on it so that you have less friction when ironing your shirt. Start with the collar from behind and go in one direction. Do not start in the middle. Go from either right to left or left to right. Next, we'll do the cuffs on the inside and the outside. Whenever you're doing the cuff on the inside, make sure that you go all the way up to address the sleeve on the back side. Similarly, repeat the process on the front. If you think this video is adding value to you so far, make sure to smash that like button. When ironing on the front, be careful not to damage the buttons. One way that I like to keep the shirt consistent when I'm ironing is I button the alternate buttons on the shirt, which makes sure that the shirt is stretching in the right proportions as I want it to before ironing. Flip the shirt around and now iron at the back. Unless you're really traveling and you want to put this in your bag, I would recommend hanging the shirt on a hanger to maintain the consistency of ironing and for it to be ready to go when you need it.